So we're at the Special Olympics swim meet.
Wonderful for our students to have something that they get to participate in that's designed for them and set up for them to be successful.
It's just really great to have these kind of events that don't just support physical activity for kids with different needs, but that actually celebrate it.
We are currently the only school board that runs any sort of event like this.
Our students get to show themselves in their best possible way. They get a day that's about them.
One of my favorite parts of the event is watching the high school volunteers from St. Paul's and St. Pat's in the pool with student athletes.
My favorite part is seeing the smiles on the kids' faces, seeing the smiles on the faces of the parents.
The kids, watching them get their ribbon and be joyful about the experience in general.
Sometimes inclusivity doesn't mean that everybody is participating at the same level. Sometimes it means creating a space that's specifically for kids or people that have different needs. And I think this is a great example of that. So thank you for taking the time and the effort and to organize something like this, because it means a lot, not just for the kids, but also for the parents.